Hi friends, and welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we're going to use creativity and some engineering to turn this tape roll into a walking tape roll. All you need is a larger tape roll like this, some scissors, a couple pieces of paper, a straw cut in half, and then you could use a stick, maybe you could use pencils. I happen to have some paintbrushes that I'm going to use. Now the first thing you need to do is draw an outline of your foot or a shoe on your pieces of paper and cut them out. Then take your sticks and we're going to tape the sticks onto the tape roll. We want to make sure that they're at different heights. They're going to be opposite of each other. One on the bottom, one on the top. Then we are going to line up our feet so that they'll walk like this. But we want the straw to come out just a little bit so it'll slide on to the stick. So we need to tape the straws to the backs of the feet. So this one will go like this, and this one will go like this. Then all you have to do is slide the straw onto the sticks that are taped to the roll. And then all you have to do is roll the tape, and it looks like the feet are walking.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Gracias. Gracias. Yes, yes.
Thank you to Hills Pet Nutrition for your support of Discovery at Home.